Okay, so hey everyone, this side Chris, come back with another new video. Now today's video I'm going to show you how we can relock bootloader of your any Xiaomi device here. So you can notice here I having Xiaomi Pad 6 and currently bootloader is unlocked here. And in this video I'm going to lock bootloader without PC here. Without PC it means we are going to lock bootloader with the help of any another Android phone. First you have to 7 times tap on OS version or MIUI version. After that open developer option here, and you can notice here in me unlock status this device is unlocked here. It means bootloader is unlocked here. In any case, if you want to lock bootloader, then you can easily lock bootloader with the help of any another Android phone. First of all, you can notice here I having this another phone is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra here. So if you having any another device, then you can easily unlock here. First of all, you require to install some application, some tool to run or some file. So you can notice here I having Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you having any Android phone rooted or non-rooted, both devices are required here. If you having rooted, then you can use your rooted device. If you having non-rooted device, then you can use here. First you have to download software for your device here. Suppose I having a Xiaomi Pad 6 here, so I am going to download here Xiaomi Pad 6 latest software here. So you have to search your device, and after that select your website here. Then you have to choose here region where your device is purchased here. So I am purchased this device from India here, so I'm going to select here India. If you purchase from China, if you purchase from global, then you have to select here. And after that you can notice two type of ROM available here. First one is recovery ROM, and second one is fastboot ROM. So you have to download here fastboot ROM for relocking bootloader here. So if you can easily place any ROM in your device here. First select your region, after that select here fastboot ROM, and then you have to download here any ROM here. After downloading, you have to install here ZArchiver from Play Store here. And I also provide one video link in description. You have to watch and install tool and Termux application in your device first. After that you can proceed this video. I will provide a link in description, you can check it. After that you have to open ZArchiver in your device here. After that it will ask for some permission, then allow all permission first. After that you have to select here download folder and your ROM file here. So you can notice that PIPA in global. After that you have to tap on extract here. Then you have to minimize this application in background. After that open file manager of your device here, and go in internal storage. Then you have to simply tap on three dot, and you have to tap on create folder here, and you can give a random name of this folder. So I'm going to create here a new folder as name as Chris. Then after that you have to wait for complete extracting of your ROM file here. Before you have to take a proper backup of your device. Before you have to watch another video, I will provide a link in description. You can watch and install Termux API and required tool here. After that you can watch this video. Then you have to take a proper backup of your device here. After that power of your device. Then you have to put your device in fastboot mode. For fastboot mode you have to simply press and hold here power plus volume down button. So you have to hold here power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds maximum to maximum. After that your device will automatic boot in fastboot mode. Then you required one OTG adapter or C2C type data cable here. After that you have to wait for complete extracting of your ROM here first. After complete extracting you have to open here file manager. Then you can notice that this type of folder will created in your device here, and all this type of file appear here. So simply you have to select here all file here, like images, flash all and flash all BAT, like this type of file appear here. So you have to simply select all and tap on copy or move and paste in those folder which we created here. So you can notice here I have successfully pasted all this file in Chris folder here. After that you can notice here this type of file appear here, flash underscore old underscore lock.sh. So we require this file here. After that you have to open here Termux, and you have to put here some command here. Like I will provide all command on my Telegram. You can easily copy and paste in your Termux here. So first you have to put here cd space oblique SD card oblique. After that your folder name which we created here. So you can note first you can notice here this folder I have created in this video here. Its name is Chris. So after SD card oblique you have to put your folder name. After that, take a space, hit enter here. After that, you can notice this type of green text appear here. After that, you have to put here chmod space plus small x, and after that you have to open here your folder here, and you have to enter here full name of lock.sh file here. So you can notice here flash underscore all, like this. So you have to enter here flash underscore all underscore lock.sh. After that, take a space and hit enter. After that, you require one OTG adapter or data cable here. If you have a C2C type data cable, then you can directly connect both device with data cable here. So first, connect both device with data cable. After that, you have to run another command here, bash space flash underscore all underscore lock.sh. After that, hit enter here. It will ask for some permission, then you have to tap on OK. After that, you can notice your flashing start here, and it will take around 5 to 10 minutes maximum to maximum. So you have to wait for complete flashing your device. After complete flashing, your device will automatic booted here. So you can notice here my device is successfully booted here, and bootloader is successfully locked here. So after that, it will automatic wipe your data here. So wait for complete booting of your device here. First booting takes a longer time as compared to normal booting. After successfully booting here, enable developer option here, tap on additional settings here, and tap on developer option. And in me unlock section, you can notice here my device is locked here and secure here. That's, you can notice here my device is successfully locked here. That's all about today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another new video.